What I love about the DSH heater is that it's a small, sleek unit. It's very modern, and it has instant heat. Within a few seconds, the area is completely warm. I love that it also has various heat settings. The DSH also has a multi-hour timer and an auto shut-off, which is a great safety feature. Since having the Dimplex DSH, it has literally extended our outdoor patio season for us. We'd normally be packing up our outdoor furniture at this time of the year, but now we are leaving it out so we can relax and enjoy the warmth of our heater. So we had purchased a fire table in the past, hoping that it would heat up our outdoor space. And as aesthetically nice as it is, the heat doesn't radiate, so it doesn't help us with extending our outside time. When we first had our DSH installed, my daughter and I, we were relaxing on our hammock one cool evening, and she wanted to go and get a blanket to stay warm. Instead, with a click of a button, we felt like we were sitting in the sun. We couldn't be happier with our decision to install our radiant heater.